Hey guys, Mark here. Wanted to show you real quick what I did with this 3.0 BNSF Dash 8. I ended up changing the sound file from what came from the factory over. I uploaded an older Dash 8. It was a narrow nose Dash 8, a Proto 2.0 sound file from a few years ago. I was not happy with the sound file that actually came on this engine. Being that it's a newer engine, I would have figured they would have copied an older Dash 8 sound, but the sound that was in this particular engine almost sounded like a Jeep series, maybe a GP9 or something older. It just didn't sound right. And I know a couple YouTube guys had made me aware of that as well, and I wasn't real happy with it overall. So I went back and I uploaded a file from an older Dash 8 narrow nose, and I put it in here. I figured I'd give you guys I'll listen to on this one. I think it's a little bit more prototypical to a Dash 8. Maybe not perfect, but it sounds a bit better. And that's the file. Definitely happier with the way that it sounds, and it was real simple to do. Basically, you just plug your TIU into your laptop or your computer, turn on the MTH DCS consumer loader program, set the old engine on the track to get the sound file from it, and then you upload it into the new engine. Pretty simple, but I figured I'd just have you guys have a listen to the new uploaded sound. We'll see you around.